Mold has become top of mind following Hurricane Ian, and it's not something to play around with.
Whether your home had a small leak or a large flood, inspect and test. Turn those two key steps and you'll avoid a lot of problems down the road. Wink News Trust and Verify reporter Kelly Miller takes us behind the scenes and shows us how the process works.
We've been working 7 days a week since the storm.
7 days a week inspecting homes across Southwest Florida for mold and bacteria. Not a glamorous job, but a critical one.
The importance of testing is for a couple of reasons. Health. Also, if someone's putting in a insurance claim, they need to document what's there. If they're buying a home, they want to check to see what's floating around in the air.
Andrew Sharpless is the owner of Eco Mold Testing. He's been in the business for nearly 30 years and seen it all.
Today we're going to take some samples for bacteria and mold to put a protocol together for the homeowner so they can give to their contractor to provide estimates and get the home remediated.
Nearly 5 feet of water surged into this home during Hurricane Ian. Now it's time for a very critical part of the recovery process.
Here on the table I have laid out the equipment we'll be using for testing. We have a thermal imaging camera. We have air pumps for the air cassettes. These are cassettes we're not going to be using today, but these are for asbestos. This is a concrete meter for checking the moisture in the slab. These both are drywall meters or wood meters for checking the moisture content. Here we have a swab. It's a sterile swab. It can be used for mold, bacteria, really anything you want to test. So then we would look around the house, and pretty much all the walls are the same in the house. They all need to be cleaned. But for documentation purposes, we'll take a bacteria swab off of the sill plate, and then we'll do a tape lift of some mold.
And that's the simplified version. The bottom line is,
have your house checked out by a mold assessor.
After Ian, many mold samples ended up here for testing. Andrew Dane is the founder and director of Dane Labs in Naples.
We always say we're just the nerds in the lab that look at the samples.
In a given month, scientists at Dane Labs identify nearly 50 different genres of mold.
Here we have a box with some samples that our customers took, and we have Aspergillus penicillin inside of this one, which we can take a look at.
Oh, wow.
All of those are individual spores.
Oh, wow.
Gathered from the site.
These molds are often found in homes with water damage. So is cotomium.
They're really cool. They're these little brown football-shaped ones.
And all of those molds have the potential to be dangerous to humans.
If there's something inside that it likes, it's going to find that. It's going to find a surface that has a food source, suitable temperature, and then some moisture. And in just a couple days, it can start to proliferate.
That's why it's critical, whether you have storm damage or just a leak, to get it taken care of right away. Not only is your home at risk, so is your health. Since Hurricane Ian, I've talked to so many people about their mold concerns and how to take action before it's too late. If you have any other questions, email me at tips@winknews.com. Back to you.